The Daily Code Snippet. The difference between figure and aside is confusing. An aside lacks a caption element. So if your side content needs a caption, then it is probably more correct to use the figure element. Remember, figure content is more directly related while aside content is tangential. Keeping this in mind, pull quotes, charts, graphs, and infographics probably belong in a figure. However, sidebar content and comments are more appropriate for an aside element. Here are more examples of other uses of the figure element that you may see. Figure can be used to present code snippets. It can be used to present quotations. It can be used to present poetry. Presented by Designers Learn Code.